Hey, what's going on out there, everybody? This is Wakefield again from True Online Wealth. And the subject of this video today is the $20 Turbo Cash Machine. I've been in this thing about close to 4 years now, and it is still working like clockwork. It's still giving me $20 payments. They come in every here and there because I market, so many different things. I kind of split up, mail this amount and mail that amount. But if I was just solely focused on this program, I would make a lot more. But I do have people in my downline, so I do get residual $20 payments as well as people coming in my front line, which I still got people coming in my front line too. Uh, this program, as you can see right here, it pays 2 levels deep. It's 3 levels. Of course, the monitor gets 20, but it's only gonna cost you 40 to get in. As you can see right here, I got a free space right there. So all you got to do when you join, of course, you're gonna get your flyers and you're gonna get your marketing kit. It's gonna show you how to approach the mail order business or whatnot. And all you gotta do is mail out every week or every day. And then, like I say, I can never preach enough. You get your downline to do the same thing because, I can never preach enough about how duplication it what makes, a powerful mailing team. So, um, you know, that's what you call create massive leverage, as you see right here on this flyer. And that is extremely powerful, as you see on this flyer. And I tell people all the time, just imagine having your name on thousands of flyers, if not tens of thousands of flyers, with each flyer giving you the chance to make $20. Of course, everybody's not going to join out of those thousands or 10,000s of flyers, but just think if you get a nice percentage of those people, how much money that could be for you and your family. So you just got to think about that. But as you can see, this is a beautiful flyer. I mean, it converts. I mean, like I say, I've been in it like 3 years and it's still bringing me $20 bills. So uh, I don't know, I hope you join. I hope you join me. It would normally cost you $60, but like I said, I got that free space on my flyer right there. You just gotta pay me 20, and you send the monitor 20, and that's it. You'll be on your way to making $20 payments. So um, you got a decision to make. Nothing happens if you don't take action. What I'm saying don't mean nothing if you don't join and take action. So that being said, I'm gonna put a link to my blog below. And then when you get to my blog, go to the mail order programs tab and you can see all the other stuff I'm offering. And also definitely check out that stamp program. I got 2 stamp programs over there that's just incredible because the most expensive part of mailing is postage. And those programs can get you hundreds or thousands of stamps. And then if you get so many stamps and you're not doing any mailing campaigns, you can sell those books of stamps, for $10 a book, or sell singles for 50 cents a stamp. So, and if you don't do that, you can just do more mailing campaigns of all your different mail order offers or whatever else you want to mail. So, uh, like I say, go to my blog, click on the mail order programs tab, check out my other online stuff as well. Subscribe to this channel most definitely. I've been doing this 11 years, so you definitely want to stay tuned and click that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day.